Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Hope, a beautiful town in British Columbia where the Fraser and Coquihalla rivers meet, surrounded by tall mountains and thick forests. Hope got its name back in the early 1840s when it was chosen as a hopeful spot for a Hudson's Bay Company trading post along a new travel route. The name stuck, and over time, Hope became an important stop during the gold rush, and later a key point on the Trans-Canada Highway. With its rich history, stunning scenery, and friendly community, Hope is a place where adventure begins, whether you're heading into the mountains or just enjoying the views. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Hope, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!